Welcome back to Simply Forex, guys, from the sunny Seychelles. Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. So guys, this is my office for the next couple of weeks. Yeah, I'm in the Seychelles for 2 weeks. And that's what trading can enable you to do, guys. You can trade from anywhere in the world you like, as long as you've got a laptop and some Wi-Fi. And don't worry guys, I'm going to send you the daily morning analysis every morning as promised. So stay tuned. Good morning to you wonderful people. I hope you had a splendid day trading yesterday. Today is Wednesday, the 24th of November. And before we get into our daily analysis, I just wanted to show you a trade from yesterday. So this is the New Zealand against the Canadian dollar. And I wanted to show you this trade because of this candle, guys. So there was an interest rate decision at 1 a.m. GMT, and look at this crazy candle. Yeah, so it whipsawed up to our support resistance and then whipsawed down and reached our target. Okay, so yeah, this New Zealand CAD has been giving us profits all week, guys. Yeah, and eventually now it hit our first target and it hit our second target. All right, I just wanted to show you that and the impact the news can have on any pair. All right guys, but I'm not interested in this market anymore today. We've hit our target. What I am interested in are 3 trades. The first one is this guy. So this is the euro against the Canadian dollar. As you can see, yesterday we had a massive bearish candle with a huge wick. So I think we can take price down to this blue line here, this 4208. All right, guys, so we're looking to short the EURCAD. Let's look on the H1 for execution. Okay guys, so yeah, what I'm looking for is this, guys. So from price to retrace to this first grey zone, looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. As always, my first target is the last low, this 4243, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to the blue line. All right guys, so if that doesn't happen, then price could come back up to this last high, to this grey zone. We're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then to be honest guys, I will probably just take price back down to this low, because it will give us such a good risk to reward anyway. But you can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to the blue line. All right guys, so Euro Canadian dollar short today. Okay, next trade, we're looking at the pound and the Canadian dollar. So as you can see, we're seeing some Canadian dollar strength. Okay, this one, guys, again, we had a bearish candle form yesterday. Our target seems quite close, yeah, because I'm seeing some support and resistance here. Our target seems quite close, but on the GBPCAD, that is already a potential 50 pips. Okay, so that's more than enough room for us to move into. Okay, obviously you need to take into account your money management and your risk to reward. Okay, but shorting the pound against the Canadian dollar, let's look on the H1 for execution. All right, guys. So yeah, this is what I'm looking for here. So price to retrace to this grey zone, all right, and then we can take price. Then we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern and take price back down to this low. Okay, again, if that doesn't happen, guys, we're looking for price to retrace all the way to this grey zone, and then again a bearish candlestick pattern, and we can take price back down to this low and leave some money on the trade and take it back down to this low as well. Guys, if you're new to the channel, if you want to know how to plot grey zones, what candlestick patterns are, and you want to receive this daily analysis every morning, then if you could please subscribe to the channel and like and share, and I will give you this information every morning. All right, guys? So, yeah, so hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, so that's the pound against the Canadian dollar. We're looking to short that market as well. And then finally, guys, my regular viewers will know that we've been shorting the euro against the pound all week. All right, so, and I'm still looking to do so. I still think we can, because price has rejected our grey zones yesterday. So I think we can take price back down to the low at least. And if not, if you remember from a few days ago, I have plotted some weekly targets as well, which is 8354. So we could even take it down to this blue line as well. All right, guys. So yeah, we're looking to short the euro against the pound. Let's look on the H1 for execution. So yeah, price could firstly just a short retracement into here, okay, and then a bearish candlestick pattern, and we can take this back down to this low here. Again, we could leave some money on the trade and and our next target would be the weekly blue line. All right, if that doesn't happen, then we're looking for price to retrace to this grey zone, a bearish candlestick pattern, and again we can take the money, the trade back down to this low here. I'm actually in this trade, guys. I got in on this candle 4 o'clock yesterday, so I'm in this trade as we speak, and I'm looking to take price firstly back down to this low, and I'll leave some on the trade for our weekly target. All right, guys, so yeah, euro against the pound short. They're my 3 trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news. Okay, guys, so yeah, as you can see, we had the New Zealand, Bank of New Zealand information come over, and I showed you how much of an impact that had on the New Zealand against the Canadian dollar. All right, but that's already happened, okay, and the market has reacted. Okay, so other news we're looking at 9 o'clock, we're looking at the euro, we're looking at the business climate coming out of Germany. So keep an eye on this 3-star rating. This could affect the euro. If we carry on down, okay, at 1:30 GMT, we have news coming out of America. This is the core durable goods, another 3-star rating. We have a 3-star rating at 1:30. This is the gross domestic product of America. This can move the markets. And also at 1:30, we have initial jobless claims. So this is a lot of news coming out of America at 1:30 GMT. If we carry on down, we've got some more news coming out of the US. We've got new home sales at 3 o'clock. Be aware of this news. And we have crude oil inventories at 3:30. This is a 3-star rating. It says the US, it's important for the US, but it's also very important for the Canadian dollar, because as I've mentioned many times, guys, the Canadian dollar and oil are closely correlated. All right, and then we have one more piece of news, and that is some meeting minutes from the Fed. So guys, this can also be very important, a 3-star rating, and this is happening at 7 o'clock GMT. Keep an eye on that if you are in any US dollar trade. All right, guys, so quite a busy-ish news day today. Guys, if you've enjoyed this daily and morning analysis and want to see it every morning, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. And I hope you have a most profitable and wonderful trading day. I will see you guys tomorrow.